Hello, in front of me I've got Suzuki S-X4 S-Cross. In this video I'll show you how to measure engine oil level. To measure engine oil level, take a look at the left side of the engine compartment. Right here we've got the dipstick. Firstly, park your car on flat surface and let it rest for 15 minutes. This will allow engine oil to flow down to reservoir. Then, remove the dipstick, clean the dipstick, place it back and remove it again. Measure engine oil level right here. Engine oil level should reach the top dot. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.